Actually, I'm working in that movie. Actually, Om Rawat has to see this.
So when you say you're working on this film, in what way are you working with it?
The VFX part.
This will be different because Yash Boss is going to do it.
And I think the world will see what Ramayana is.
Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponnappa with Maruti Acharya. We just watched the teaser, the first look title announcement teaser of Ramayana, and my god, was that an experience. But that experience we'll share in another video, so stay tuned and check out the channel, that will be there as well.
Our truth, our history.
The reaction is on another channel, which is India Today So South. Go and check that out too. Let's go talk to the audiences what they felt based on the sound we've been hearing. It feels like everybody enjoyed. There was a lot of once more while in the theater. Let's go. People are excited. Let's go and talk to them and see what they had to say about the teaser.
Actually, I'm working in that movie. Actually, Indian company. Indian company. I'm actually working. I just came to see the crowd.
So, did you work on the visual effects? What have you worked on?
Yes, I worked on Hair and Fur.
Okay. So, would you say there's a lot more to this than just the teaser? What all can we expect?
This is just nothing. More to come.
More to come?
Yeah.
Something that you can tell us what more to expect?
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it's very good. Like I liked it very much. The music, the direction, the quality looks very good, and the Yash look is very nice. And excited to watch Ranbir Kapoor as Ram.
Film.
Ramayana is like it's a very personal thing. Growing up as a kid, I watched and heard of stories, watching it on TV, and now to see this and to be a part of, I'm working on this as an artist. So the VFX visual effects, I have a personal thing going on. Very excited to watch this on big screen.
So when you say you're working on this film, in what way are you working with it?
The VFX part.
So would you say this is all we can expect, or is this something
I can safely say that we can expect an Oscar for this.
a lot more than this?
Yes.
What else can you tell us about the film?
The film is like, I can't tell much more. Like, the film is coming good. Like, whatever I know, like, it will be matching with the Indian audience. Will like it very much.
Awesome work.
What did you like the most in it?
All the effects, and then title, everything is fine. Good.
Hello ma'am. First of all, how was your experience?
It was amazing. Actually, we didn't expect anything like this at all. The VFX, the 3D, we have never seen before. It's just fantastic and it is so mesmerizing.
Okay. So Ramayana is personal to so many people in India. What's your experience with Ramayana and how does this one match up to it?
Yeah, I think Ramayana is our personal sentiments. I think they are going to match up to what the common people have the thinking about Ramayana. It's our culture. I think it is so good.
And we've had so many versions of Ramayana over the years. Do you think this one will be different from all of them?
Yeah, of course this will be different because Yash Boss is going to do it.
Yeah, it's nice. It feels wow. Good.
Okay. What did you like in it?
I like everything. Nice. Good.
The actors reveal at the end, Ranbir and Yash. How was it?
Wow. It feels only wow.
Outstanding. The music by A.R. Rahman and Hans Zimmerman is extremely well done. The last time they took Ramayana, we know it didn't work out well. But this time, I'm pretty sure these guys are 100% dedicated. The way they have shot the movie, as in not the movie, as in whatever glimpse we saw, right? The way they show the gods and the way it is narrated, everything is, you can expect class here. It is well done, and I'm pretty sure it is going to be outstanding, groundbreaking. And I think the world will see what Ramayana is.
Exceeded all our expectations actually, especially the background score by Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman. And the best part was you could see the detailing of the entire thing, whatever they showed, and the last 10 seconds of the actual visuals from the film. I think this film will take Indian cinema actually to the world, and everybody's going to look into this, and maybe they'll win their 9th Oscar for the visual effects as well.
It was really good. The VFX quality and everything was really good. And the introduction title card was actually good. So looking forward to it.
So there was a lot of hype surrounding the film. Do you think it will live up to it?
Yes. By looking at the VFX, it will be.
It was amazing. Music. The music made it look very surreal, and it just took to the next experience.
How was the visuals?
Visuals was amazing, obviously. The VFX studios like that, so it was amazing. I thought they're gonna show the characters, the intro, the how they look and all that, but it was good. I loved it.
Beautiful, good songs, beautiful songs.
How was it?
Good.
What did you like in it?
It's just fabulous. Just
wait for next Diwali. That's all. A very big gift is coming. Thank you. How was yes? You know him, rocking stars. Thank you.
Solp.
What did you like?
More. Goosebumps, bro.
Pure goosebumps. Watching dream.
So that is what the people had to say about Ramayana and the experience they had. Some of them also shared what kind of connection they have with the epic Ramayana. People are excited to see Yash as well. Everybody in Bengaluru, most of them were here to witness Yash on the big screen after quite the long time, and they are really excited to see him in Ramayana in this grey shaded, dark shaded Ravana avatar. We also spoke to a couple of VFX artists who worked on the film, and what they had to say is that this is nothing. This is just a small part of the big extravaganza that you are yet to witness. Diwali 2026. Our other video, the reaction is on our other channel, which is India Today So South. Make sure to check that out as well. With that, I am Sanjay Ponappa with Maruti Acharya, and you're watching India Today.